Hello guys, let's continue our lesson today with a simple phrase that also we need to use in daily life, and it's easy word and easy phrase that you have to know when you start learning Chinese. And welcome to channel for update Chinese. Don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel to continue learning Chinese with me together. So now let's start our lesson. The first phrase or first sentence that we study today, when we want to say I am Wang Xiaohua, it means if we want to introduce our name, so we say in Chinese, 我 it means I, 是 it's the same in English like M is R like that. So in Chinese is only one word, that's so 是 it means M is R in English. 我是 I am 王小华，乌安汪王，西要萧小，后窝花华，王小华。Here is the name of the person. So if you want to introduce your name, you put the name here. And if you do not have Chinese name, you also can use a Latin word, Latin name like that. For example, for me, I am Ming Hua. I also have Chinese name, but if I don't have Chinese name, another name, I can put the name here. And you can also try to do it. Try to say with me, okay? 我是王小华. I am Wang Xiaohua. Like that. Number 2. He is my father. So if you want to say he is my father in Chinese, the word 他 他 it means he. 是 is. 我 it means I. This moment I told you that 我 it means I, but in our sentence it means my, because when we put 我 with the word show about our relative or the person who close with us, we do not use the here. In simple way, we use water, it means my. But for the relative or someone that is close to us, we omit the here and we put only 我爸爸 it means father. 我爸爸 my father. In fact, we can use water 爸爸 like that. But here we can omit it. Omit it because 爸爸 is the relative and also the close person with us like that. So we say 他是我爸爸，他是我爸爸。He is my father. Okay? I hope that you understand about this. It can be a little complicated, a little confused with this word, but it's okay. When we learn a lot again and again, you meet it, you see it, you use it, it will be easy and very simple in Chinese. So number 3. When we want to say, she is my mother. So the word she, in Chinese, we say 她. We read it the same. It sounds the same, but the writing is different. So remember about this, okay? Yes. 是 is 我妈妈 my mother. It's the same use here, that 我 here it can mean my. She is my mother in English. In Chinese we say 她是我妈妈妈妈 Moama, mama, mother. She is my mother. 她是我妈妈. Okay. Number 4. I love mom. In Chinese we say 我爱妈妈. 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 I, it means love. Mama, mother or mom. 我爱妈妈 I love mom. Yes, it's simple and easy. Number 5. When you want to say mom love me, so we just change mama in the front, I, and then we put 我. It's not complicated in Chinese, because in English it can be subject, we use I, and if it is object we use me. But in Chinese only the word 我. Yes, only one word. That's so about me or I like that. 妈妈爱我，妈妈爱我。Mom love me. Yes. Number 6. If we want to say I love mom and dad, 我爱爸爸妈妈。我爱爸爸妈妈。爱 it mean love. 爸爸 father or dad. Mama it mean mom or mother. And this word we can also can translate parent. I love my parent. I love mom and dad. It's the same. 我爱爸爸妈妈 like that. Okay, so today we studied these 6 sentences. I hope that you like it, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. But before we end our lesson, let's start. Let's read together again. Number 1. 我是王小华 I am 王小华。他是我爸爸 He is my father. 她是我妈妈 She is my mother. 我爱妈妈 I love mom. 5. 妈妈爱我 Mom love me. 我爱爸爸妈妈 I love mom and dad. I love my parents like that. Thanks everyone. Goodbye. See you next video.